Need to send money and have it arrive in seconds, not days? If you thought instant transfers were complicated, you're not alone. Today, we're demystifying how to make an instant SCT transfer with Intesa Sanpaolo Mobile, once and for all. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. An instant transfer is a European standard that lets you send money 24/7, and it arrives in the recipient's account usually within 30 seconds. The key step: choosing the right option. When you start a new transfer within the app, you'll fill in the usual details. The magic happens at the end. Before confirming, look for the transfer speed option. You'll likely see Standard selected by default. Simply change this to Instant. The small but important detail: the cost. This incredible speed comes with a small fee. The app will always show you this fee clearly before you finalize the payment. Reading that final summary is your best defense against surprise costs. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use it when it matters. Standard transfers are still free and perfect for most situations. Save the instant option for when you really need the money to arrive immediately. So, just like that, you're equipped to move money at the speed of life. A little knowledge goes a long way in managing your finances wisely. Now I'm curious, what's the most urgent situation you've ever needed an instant transfer for? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.